TDA Rule 68, Exposing Cards and Proper Folding. I'll read the official rule once, then explain how it's applied in poker tournaments. Exposing cards with action pending, including the current player when last act, may result in a penalty but not a dead hand. Any penalty begins at the end of the hand. When folding, cards should be pushed forward low to the table, not deliberately exposed or tossed high, or helicoptered. This rule distinguishes between exposure and a dead hand. While exposing cards during live action may warrant a penalty, it does not automatically kill the hand. In practice, if a player reveals cards before action is complete, tournament staff may assess a penalty after the hand concludes. The hand itself remains live. A common misunderstanding is that exposing cards immediately kills the hand. Under TDA Rule 68, exposure may result in a penalty, but the hand remains in play unless another rule applies.